let's look at the small hip circle. We're gonna keep your body weight even. Don't shift it outside of your rib cage. So no forward or back, okay? Keep it right balanced underneath your heart space. We're gonna tilt that pelvic floor up, and then we're going to bend. I'll show you here. We are going to tilt that pelvic floor up. We're going to straighten your right knee, and your left knee is gonna bend so that your right hip goes up. So my hands are gonna be placed on my shoulders so that I hold this in place. The third move is that you're going to shift your pelvic floor downward and make your knees come even, side next to each other. And the fourth move, you're gonna straighten your left knee, bend your right knee. So let's look at this small hip circle. We're going to tilt the pelvic floor up. We're gonna straighten the right knee, pushing the hip up to the shoulder, not outwards, but upwards. We're gonna drop that pelvic floor downwards and bring the knees back close together. Then straighten the left knee, bend the right knee, and bring that hip to the shoulder. So let's connect these dots here. We're gonna come up on 1, up on 2, down on 3, up left on 4, up on 1, up right on 2, down on 3, up left on 4. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. In, up, down, up. In, up, down, up. All the while, I am shifting my knees back and forth. And I'm using my core like crazy to change the direction of my hips, of that pelvic floor. So if we saw the video about moving that pelvic floor up and down, we will see that we are combining the up and down here and your hips and your knees up and down here. When we have those 4 points, all we do is connect the dots and round it out, smooth it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In, back. In, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The one, count 1 is in, in, in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and release.